Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to teach you how to rotate this globe along this axis. First of all, you enable axis so that you can see the position of the origin point. Select local transform orientation because we want it to be based on this object. See, the position is wrong. Z is pointing up, but we want it to point it here. So this is what you do, okay? Select this globe holder, go into local mode by pressing slash, and select this Shift+G Coplanar because I want to select this whole face. Then from here you click transform orientation, click on plus so that you have new transform orientation which is based on this selected faces. Okay. Then you select this globe, option enable this origin so that when you rotate it, you will be able to rotate just the origin. Object transform, align to transform orientation. See, you have fixed it. Okay. Make sure it is local because we want to see it rotating based on this object's local transform orientation. Doesn't work because we have to disable this first. There you go. That's how you do it. Thank you.